If you think breakfast without sugar sounds boring, think again. Most of us have been trained to think breakfast equals sweet: cereal, jam on toast, pancakes, sugary coffee drinks. But here's the thing. Starting your day with sugar might give you a quick energy boost, but it usually ends with a crash, cravings, and feeling tired before lunch even hits. So what happens when you flip the script and go for a no-sugar breakfast? It might just change your whole day. Let me paint a picture. You wake up, your stomach's growling, and instead of reaching for a pastry or sugary granola, you go for something that actually fuels you. Think eggs, scrambled, boiled, or poached, with some sautéed spinach or avocado on the side. That right there is a powerhouse meal. Protein, healthy fats, fiber, and not a gram of added sugar. You'll feel full longer, your energy stays steady, and your brain stays sharp. Sounds good, right? Another great no-sugar option, overnight oats. But wait, aren't oats sweet? Not necessarily. You can make overnight oats using plain oats, chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, and toss in things like cinnamon, nuts, or a few slices of fresh berries. No added sugar, just real food. And trust me, your taste buds will adjust. After a few days without sugar in the morning, you'll start tasting the natural sweetness in everything. Even carrots will start to taste like candy. Let's talk toast. If you love your morning toast, switch to whole grain or sourdough and skip the jam. Try it with natural peanut butter, no added sugar, or mashed avocado with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon. Or top it with a fried egg. Simple, savory, satisfying. You're not giving up flavor, you're just choosing to fuel your body better. One more idea that's super quick: Greek yogurt. But not the flavored kind. That stuff is loaded with sugar. Grab the plain, unsweetened version and mix in some chopped nuts, seeds, or a tiny drizzle of cinnamon. If you really need a hint of sweetness, a few fresh blueberries go a long way. It's creamy, rich in protein, and doesn't spike your blood sugar like the flavored ones do. What all of this comes down to is balance. A no-sugar breakfast doesn't mean eating bland food or skipping meals. It means choosing real, whole ingredients that give your body what it actually needs in the morning, without that sugar roller coaster. It means reprogramming your brain to find satisfaction in healthy fats, complex carbs, and natural flavors. So if you're looking to start your day with energy, focus, and no crash, give no-sugar breakfast a try. Not only will your body thank you, but over time, your cravings for sweet stuff might just fade away. And that's when you'll know your breakfast isn't just a meal anymore. It's your secret weapon for a better day.